Welcome back. Today we've got this 96 Dodge Dakota that has a very peculiar serpentine belt problem. I went to go change the belt and realized real quick the tensioner is broken. And usually they don't break this way, so it's kind of interesting to see this thing not working in action. So in a second we're going to show you where the failure is. We're going to show you a shortcut to get this done quick and dirty and in a hurry and get your Dakota back on the road quickly. Stay tuned. Alright, so what happens when you try to take the belt off? Prepare to be amazed.
I got really tight earlier.
That WD-40 did not work. Hey, it's working a little bit today. A little more we got out of it yesterday. Yeah, the spring broke. It broke, it did. Alright, well first, get your serpentine belt off. You're going to change out your tensioner. Get you some room opened up. Get your finger safe. This is kind of peculiar because when they die they don't usually do this. So this one has probably got kicked up with mud. I mean, any number of things could have happened. First off, remove the coil. It does make it a whole lot easier to get the tensioner out. This one driving down the road today lost its belt, and that's how we end up finding out about the broken serpentine tensioner.
So put a lot of pressure on the alternator and everything else because it's not doing what it's supposed to.
No, it doesn't hold like it's supposed to. We're also going to be replacing the belt while we're here. Just makes all the sense in the world.
See, it's so much quicker because now you have access to the bolt.
Yep, now I got access to the front. Did it just spring back?
Yes, it did. You want me to tighten it and see if it works?
Is it possible it fell off its hole? There's supposed to be a spring mount for that.
Maybe. Let's find out.
Still toasty. Looks like to me like it's spinning in the bore. We'll find out here in a sec.
All that dirt and mud.
Something went bad in a hurry.
What went bad? I don't know.
You can see the latch on there. Did the pin break off?
No, the pin's there.
And it's internal in assembly and it's toast anyway. No, it's original Chrysler.
Yeah, it needs to be replaced.
I'm not messing with it. What do we do with junk parts, Kev?
Throw off.
There you go. Alright, we got our new one from our boys at O'Reilly's. No fuss, easy to do. If you haven't done this yet, you will soon. It simply lines up like so. 2 holes, get it in there, tighten it down, be done with it. Alright, as you can see, it's in place. It's going to put the bolt on that he dropped.
I was waiting for you to say something.
Well, I heard it hit concrete somewhere.
I did too. I did too.
So if I can't see it go, I always listen for it.
I know it hit concrete. No, found it. It's all the way over by the right tire.
It rolled on you, did it?
This should honestly be on spring lock.
You would think so. Is that a nylock?
No, just a normal nut.
There's probably so much tension on it, it probably won't come off. Just simply bolts up behind the assembly there on that bracket. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. They do go bad.
Next. Yeah, they're pulley.
Well, yeah, now you got real tension on it again. Now we're probably going to hear this thing howl somewhere.
Torque spec?
So you can't move the wrench. Very tight.
That's the torque spec.
You're not getting a torque wrench in there.
Just test for operation.
Hey, that one looks like it works. I can feel it move the whole truck. Good to go. Alright.
Now we gotta get this belt off.
Alright, switching gears here. Take your belt off. We're just going to do it as good preventive maintenance. We'll keep this belt around just in case we lose one. It's always good to have your belt that wasn't bad kept for storage in case one does go bad. Especially if you're trying to diagnose a noise in your pulley.
Dodge belt mastered. Now, getting it back on is a different story.
See if you can do it without a diagram. I've learned with Dodge to go open under the fan.
Still got it. I still remember how to do this.
And that's what's neat about Dodge is their front end stuff is usually the same through most of their engines.
It's just tight to work around the fan.
Yeah, there's not a lot of room. Well, you probably got to go up the power steering and then down around the crank.
Oh man.
You did all that work and didn't even think about your steering.
Well, doesn't it? Wait, no, it's gotta go this way, right?
Got to feed up.
It's gotta go around.
Yeah, and then once you get too tight, take it off your tensioner.
Yep.
And you got it.
Okay, so I still got it.
You still got it.
Yeah, because I changed Nathan's belt within 30 seconds.
A little rusty, it's been a while.
Since I've worked on a Dodge, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to be working on more Dodge stuff soon.
So.
Now we switch gears again. There you go, that looks a lot better. Now, take two.
Man, this thing's under a lot of pressure.
I once had a guy bring me a car that had his belt on wrong, but the engine was running fine.
Okay.
Everything's tight.
Yeah.
Push, shove, and then it looks correct.
Oh boy.
And if you've done everything right, your belt should look just like that. Run all the way around.
Except for.
Just take it up just a little bit, adjust it, good to go.
Their boy's gonna go fairly soon.
Well, we'll see if it's making noise now. Other than that, I'm giving you a picture of what it should look like when you're done. Water pump, down the power steering, up to the air conditioning, through the idler, through the alternator, tensioner, back to the crank. So last but least, we're going to install the coil. Makes the job a whole lot easier if you take the coil off. You can take the bracket off, but you can do that too. The point being is just get this hunky thing out of your way and then get to the back bolt. Simple as that. This one's actually a job that I think most people could do, provided they had enough leverage to get the new one on.
Yeah, that you're gonna need a lot of muscle.
Yep. Especially with a new tensioner, everything's nice and tight like the factory intended. So.
And it's gates. Now your coil, you don't want to go too tight. I mean, you want to get it tight, but not to the point to where it's going to break these windings. Okay. Should be good.
Alright.
Now let's start it.
Alright, we're going to start it up. Make sure everything works like it should. Alright folks, as you can see, it's running good again. We're going to go take it out for a test drive. Other than that, we're going to call this a wrap. If you enjoyed what you've seen, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.